Hello everyone, it is me, Harrison Polnick. Yeah. So today I'm playing Granny 2. Why not Granny 1 or 3? I asked my amazing, truly spectacular mother. Mother, what should I play today? Granny 1, 2, 3. And she said 2. Then I asked her, which ending should I do? She said, um, so I asked her, what ending do I do? Front door, boat, or helicopter? She said boat. Um, so, well, that's the ending we're doing today. So, y'all, how is your day y'all, how's your day so far? You know, I'm really curious. Oh, it's good? Oh, that's great to know. Miguel, you excited for school to start back up? Oh, you're excited? Wow, I didn't expect that, especially from you. Yeah, chat. My friend Miguel, he loves school. Chat, chat. I choked. We need to restart. I choked. My game glitched. Shh. I'm totally not blaming my bad skills and Granny on a glitch. Totally. But yeah, chat. We need to restart because now Grandpa could spawn upstairs, do the Granny's house radio thing, and then I'm caught and I die. You're about to see what why I can only do this on day 1. Oy, 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 oy. Y'all, before I started this video, I was watching the weirdest fetishes by the Evacuator. Oh man, yes, there are some weird off fetishes out there. Ooh, clean. WC. Chat, have you ever smoked uh Chat, have you ever smoked on Granny's pack? I don't know what that means. I just hear a lot of people saying like smoking on that Granny pack, you know. If you know, you know. Oh. Aha! Grandpa, I love you. Whoops. Chad, don't you all just love Grandpa? Ah, damn it. Chat, I'm really hoping this is a good seed. The best possible seed we could have is just the boat handle. The boat handle. You know what? Sure, I'll take the helicopter. Is the boat handle not being way up there past where the glass fuse goes? Mm. Yeah, bars. Yeah. Oh, sorry, chat. Sorry, chat. I had to twerk on Granny before I killed her. Alright, let's just hope Grandpa isn't a slowpoke. Yo, Gramps. in the shoulder. I wonder if that hurt. Chat, you think Grandpa got hurt from that? I'm sorry, Grandpa. I know your hip hasn't been doing too well. Woo! Let's go, crowbar. You know what? That will despawn. So Grandma's back alive. Glass fuse, that's useless. Right door handle flare. Alright. Chat, what the hell just happened? What the fricky fracky? What the hell? Oh, and that was such a good seed too. Oh, damn it, chat. We need to leave, bro. The game glitched. And that was such a good seed too. The only time I've seen that happen is when Queso played Granny 2 Recaptured. So, kind of weird. Clean. Ooh. Please be lucky again. Okay. Chat, alright. I have an idea where the taser is. Shoot. Okay, Granny or Grandpa is where Slendrina's baby is. Yo, is Granny still coming? It's not safe to go out yet because Granny, you have very nice toes. Taser, you better be in here. Let's go. There you are! Right in the penis! Grandpa? Oh, damn it, Sandrina, baby. Why can't you stay out? I wanted to shoot that goddamn baby. Fuse is located. That's kind of useless, though. Okay, glass fuse is found. Okay, what do we have? So, we have the fuse, so we need the boat key, the boat steering wheel, padlock key, gas, and that's it. Landrina! Baby. God damn it. Gas is found. Okay. I'm gonna make predictions. I think boat steering wheel, or whatever the hell is in Grandpa's like attic or whatever it is. Same with boat key. I think padlock key is in the safe key place. That's it, right, chat? Because I know where gas is. No, I'm not gonna glitch again. Oh, Granny. I love you. Oh. Oh, boat steering wheel is here. Okay, we know where 2 out of the 5 items are, I'm pretty sure. Good. Chat, we did not glitch chat time. Crowbar. Go there. No. There. God damn it! Go there! Okay. That's good enough. I thought I'll forget the taser. I was right. Chat, if you're wondering why I only did the middle drawer, that's because that's the only place that that the boat he can spawn. Nice. Oh, god damn it. Kill me. GG's, chat. Okay, good. I'm able to reach that. There you are. Okay, we only need duct tape. That's useless. I'm gonna start bringing things down. Whew. Wait a minute. Let's just retrace everything. So in here, it's probably door handle. Nope. Oh, that's right. Door handle wasn't there. So what we need is a padlock here, which is probably in the safe key place. Gas is in there. You know what? Let's play some music. Oh, hey, Grandma, I didn't even see you. Yes, there I am. So where can the safe key even be? I forgot. Wait, chat, can the safe key be where Slendrina's baby is? Oh, that's a good question. I don't know, actually. Next time Granny and Grandpa get knocked out. Shut up, Slendrina's baby. I'm trying to hear it. Let's see if I can hear Granny's footsteps. Shut up! Okay, I'm gonna stay out here for now, because I want to kill the grandparents out here, because I'm pretty sure the safe key that can spawn where Slendrina's baby is. Good, Granny's knocked out. Let's hope Grandpa comes quickly. Boom. clean. Peace and harmony in all the world. Peace and harmony in all the world. Ooh, peace, peace and harmony, world and all. Oh, right in the forehead. That must have hurt. Chat, I have everything. Chat. Chat, I'm scared. Mommy. Mommy, Granny's trying to kill me. Right in the throat. Granny can't give that throat goat no more. Oh, man. Peace and harmony. God damn it, Granny. Boom. We have 3 things downstairs. Wait, chat, where'd I put the padlock key? Right here. Warning to headphone users. Grandpa, where are you? Oh, of course, Grandpa was asleep the whole time. Chat, what do I have? Uh, right, I need the glass fuse. That's upstairs. Hmm. Grandpa, where are you? Oh, found you too, Gramps. Boom. Alright, chat. We have everything. No, wait, no. I threw gas downstairs, right? Being now up here, now that I think of it, isn't the best thing. I would go downstairs, but I think Grandpa might be around the corner. Wow, chat, this is a 30-minute video. That is diabolical. Also, if y'all are wondering why I threw the door lock downstairs, it's because, I'm gonna lock the, the boat door thingy, you know? Shoot. Yo, chat, I think my video might cut out soon. Shoot. This is not ideal. Yeah! Okay. Chat, I need to leave. My mom just called me. I'm back. God damn, Grandma. Chat. Grandpa's slowly the one why the video's getting cut out because this man doesn't go to check on his wife. Chat, can we have horrible husband in the chat? Boom. Beautiful. Gave me the goddamn taser. Okay, finally, we're downstairs. And we're in the final part of, well, escaping. Yeah, chat. The video's gonna, end pretty soon. It's a good thing this isn't, like, one life, because, well, y'all will know that I won, most likely. Because who the hell dies when they're about to win in Granny with still all their lives left? Who the hell does that? Am I right? Ah, shit. No, you don't. Come on, Gran. I see you. I thought you see me, Gran. I see you. Gran, what an idiot, am I right? It's not door lock, that's right. Yo, I didn't know what the door lock did until like 2 days ago. Like, actually, I mean that. I'm gonna do the gas last because it takes the most time. Boom, clean. Boom! Yeah! Woo! Chat, can we have W's in the freaking comments? Woo!